then these are the branches of cyber security. I think cyber security is a way of protecting computers, networks, servers, data center from the attacks of cyber criminals or attackers or cyber criminals or hackers. So these are the 6 branches are very, very important in cyber security: network security, system security, application security, information security, web security, and mobile security. Okay. Next, confidentiality tools like encryption and access control, authentication, authorization, physical security. So we are converting XYZ to 1, 2, 3. That is called encryption. Access control is nothing but you are an authorized person of VIT Velur or not by using ID card or RFID card. You are entering into the building. That is called access control. Authentication. You are authorized person into the bank or not. Then that is called authentication, authorization, physical security. So these are the confidentiality tools. So using cyber security framework for web application security, you need to identify the threats, you need to protect the information, you need to detect the what type of attacks, you need to respond, you need to recover. This is called using a cyber security framework for web application security. See, what is cyber crime? Give any example of cyber crime. So, cyber crime is nothing but maybe hacking, SQL injection, theft of our file transfer protocol password, cross-site scripting, virus decimation, data diddling, denial of service attack, email bombing and spamming, webjacking, cyber stalking, etc. These are the cyber crimes. Cyber security threats, you see, Trojan virus, deep attacks, keyloggers and screen loggers, overlay attacks, accessibility framework attacks. These are the cyber security threats. These elements of cyber security I have explained already. And next, so types of cyber threats. See, cyber crime is nothing but it includes single actors or groups targeting systems for financial gain or to cause disruption. It is called cyber crime. What is meant by cyber attack? It is often involves politically motivated information gathering is called cyber attack. Cyber terrorism. It is intended to undermine electronic systems to cause panic or fear. It is called cyber terrorism. Then malware. What is meant by malware? Malware is a type of malicious software such as virus, spyware that gets activated when a user clicks or link or any malware affected websites. Emotet. Emotet is nothing but an advanced banking based malicious software that affects banking operations. Then denial of service. The denial of service is nothing but it is a series of cyber attacks that floods a computer or network or a data center, so it can't respond to request. A distributed denial of service is a DOS attack originates from a computer network. That means number of times you are attacking to the network. That is called denial of service. Phishing. What is meant by phishing? Phishing attacks use fake communication, such as an email. You are see, if you see example from Nigerians, they usually sending a number of emails. You won the lottery. You won the prize. You won the gadget. You won the electronic device. Like that, they are sending such type of fake communication or fake emails. That is called phishing, especially Jamtara people from Jharkhand and Bihar. There is a place they are doing this business only, phishing. Then SQL injection. SQL injection is nothing but structured query language. It is a type of cyber attack that results from inserting malicious code into a server that uses structured query language. They are using very simple DDS, DO, I mean TCL commands, DML commands.